Ahoy, shipmates! I'm just out installing the next camera. Oh, what a great sunset there is in this location. Of course, any camera installation involves a great reel of cable and somewhere to mount the camera. This time the installation requires a head for heights, as the camera's going up there. And as the marvellous sunset continues, you can even hear the ship horns from this location as well. Should give us a view all the way from the docks all the way down to Cowshot Spit, and along with some stunning sunsets to boot. The camera is currently mounted. Just ran into a few technical difficulties in getting communications to YouTube to work. Well, I thought I'd post a little update video and show you where we are. And here's some ships passing by. Hope to be online in the next week or so, I would imagine. So stay tuned, and until next time, shipmates.